morning. We're going to do some stuff today up here on the bus.
There on the roof deck, chilling. That looks so cool. Super stoked on how this is working out. So you can see we made these mesh sort of walls that clip in. Yeah, awesome. And then that's fastened with wing nuts and bolts so it can't fly away. Hopefully it'll withstand some wind. We'll see. Let's go on the roof. There's Robert chilling in the roof deck. How cool is that? Do you feel safe?
I feel very safe.
I feel safe for you. So yeah, we got shade up here and we're gonna put some twinkly lights, you know, maybe clip a disco ball there, you know, gay it up a bit. But that definitely worked out. All right, it's not quite noon, but I feel like we have to christen the rooftop deck. Just having a break up on the bus roof.
We have a lake view.
We have a lake view. Ooh, got a package. Wonder what it is.
Motorcycle chalk. Wheel goes in here.
Very exciting. These are going to hold our motorbikes in the trailer that I'm trying to find online for a good price. And it's going to go behind the bus there. What you doing, Lele? Kitty stuff? What's out there? So, for the third try, I am going to make a cabinet door front for that. So, fingers crossed, third time's the charm. Here's hoping. Super thick.
Super thick.
So this is the epoxy that we are now putting on the roof deck because the shit that they sold us last year sucks. And there's a grit in that bag there behind Robert's elbow that we'll be putting in just to give it a bit of texture. The grit. Really roll. So it's a little bit lighter, but this has an epoxy in it, so it should secure or seal up the wood nicely. Hopefully, third time is the charm. I have got this clamped and glued and squared, so fingers crossed. Robert's still painting. Epoxy. Okay, it's installed. That looks pretty cool. The wood, now that it's all stained, looks nice. And again, I'll put the door there. So that door is just drying. It's being glued, and then I'm going to stain it and attach it. Curtain up. Clothing, wardrobe is a success. And from that side, it looks great. Okay, so third time was a charm. Success on the cabinet door front here. That closes it off, neatens it up. I don't have the hinges yet, but it'll open like that, give us access to toiletries and whatnot, and yeah, just cleans it up and it looks nice. We may actually put a piece of art here or something instead of a mirror, and maybe a mirror on the inside. That stuff will come later. Thanks again for watching, and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
Good night.